Welcome, here I've got INFINIX Hot 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to tap on this now to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see now, by using them I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have custom volume keys option, so when we tap on this we can pick from shutter, which is now, or zoom. So let me change this to zoom. Let's go back now to the camera, and now let me try to use these buttons once again to see how it works now. And as you can see now, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back by using the volume keys, so I can use zoom. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.